But yeah, let's see. I went and checked out some stuff on this house that I gotta do. Now I'm gonna go into my TWP water cultivating bag. Shouts out to the LLC channel. Y'all know that motherfuckers had 1,400 subs. We appreciate that. They over there on the cultivating side these days. So y'all already know if y'all don't know where it is, because I'm not logged into that account right at the moment. But just go to my home page. It'll be right there at the bottom in the people I know section. And you know, y'all go link up with that channel too. Dad Marino, my guy, what is crack-a-lacking? So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and tell y'all what we was doing yesterday since I had a road trip. You know, I need to explain the whole trip process. You did, because you know, we moving forward with the gardening situation. So I get to set up my next indoor garden. Shouts out to the family lamb, because you know, that's what we gonna do. We gonna take my grandma's old house and go rehab it and make us a new custom indoor garden. So that's going to be our project coming up for the rest of the year. I don't know if it's going to take me to the rest of the year because it's Big Me in the building. Shouts out to Big Me. It ain't going to take me long to fix this shit because, you know, like does this. You see what I'm saying? The indoor garden consultant is going to show y'all, like, man, this is what we going to do. We're going to do this whole custom garden. And y'all going to get to rock with me while I'm doing it because that's what we're going to do. Then the good thing is whenever I'm not smoking, I can be posting on the cultivation channel. But whenever I am smoking, I'll be here on this channel. You see what I'm saying? So that's how we do it. We rock YouTube for what YouTube is worth. You don't like me smoking on TWP? Okay, cool. Well, Team Deepwater Cultivating, the LLC channel, huh? It knows how to play by the rules and get that bag. We gonna secure the bag over there because we gonna be having fun over here. Shouts out to TWP. Shouts out to having 4 YouTube channels because we get it in. Shout out to Spider Pig because we had that Super Saturday video yesterday. Dope as fuck. Dope, dope, dope. If y'all ain't catching Super Saturdays on Spider Pig, I don't know what y'all doing. Y'all must be watching reruns of old Martin videos. But you know, Martin was their show, so I can't be mad at you for watching old Marty Mark. Y'all was probably watching Marty Mark when he was going in on BBBs. Shouts out to the BBBs, because you know, they be popping, pop. Alright, so we still got about 15 minutes for this next video start. Thing, you know, we just gonna be moving around after that, so let's see, where we kicking it at? Dad, what you smoking on? I know you done do some good shit over there. Shout out to Dad, he's another one of the cannabis content creators out here in these YouTube streets. Y'all already know to go check him out, send him a thumbs up, and show the boy some love. We appreciate him for stopping through this morning, because you know it's all about the networking. That's why we on YouTube. YouTube is like the best place for the networking. Yeah, y'all see that? Okay. I'm gonna push him back today. Said, Fred, you're gonna have to be quiet while you smoke this blunt for respect for the blunt. Yeah, that's alright, because we're gonna slide to boom right here. I'm gonna have to clip this part later on. That's why I'm just recording it right now. Oh man, I got you, girl. I got you.